Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today we have the Fairyland's Christmas Village. Do-it-yourself Christmas Village. I put these white cloths I got from the Dollar Tree all through here. And we got Christmas fairies. She's having her tea. Got a little house there. And we got the fairy inn and some Christmas trees. Little decorations. Large butterfly. Little church on this side. And we got some gnomes. We got to have some gnomes visiting our Christmas village. And we got little lights throughout. Little pine cone Christmas tree I made. There's a bunny rabbit. And the fairy playing the flute. Some of these fairies I have from my garden fairies. A little Santa. And this is a night view of the fairy Christmas. Fairyland Christmas Village. This is part of my Christmas series. If you'd like to join me, let me know below. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll be coming up with some more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any. And we have a large owl back here. Some more sparklies. And some pretty lights. And I thank you all so much for watching and joining me. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.